The automated X-37 approach and landing test vehicle is 27.5 feet long with a 15-foot wingspan. The X-37 mission is to provide valuable automated approach and landing technologies flight data to expand the aerospace knowledge base for future reusable space transportation system development. After ground towing and in-flight captive carry tests, the X-37 ALTV will be released over California's Mojave Spaceport from Scaled Composites White Knight carrier aircraft at altitudes up to 40,000 feet. The Flight Operations Control Center will conduct the mission using a streamlined operations concept. The X-37 approach and landing test vehicle will land at the adjacent Edwards Air Force Base. Research using experimental vehicles, such as the X-37, reduces the risk of developing advanced reusable launch vehicle technologies by validating them in real-world flight conditions.